Well, hello everybody. My name is Teller Oakley Rosie's 2000, and today I'm going to try to test a cereal. This is a cereal I picked. I'm trying Cocoa Puffs. The reason I'm trying a Cocoa Puffs cereal is because I want to see what it tastes like. So I had the cereal, the spoon, the bowl, and the milk. So, you're going to see me trying it, okay? So, are you guys ready to see me trying this out? You will? Great. Let's get started. So, this one's on the front, and this one's the back. And then we're going to open it right now. I'm going to pour it in here. So, you're going to watch it from there, so... Alright, you can see it right here. Next, I'm going to try the milk. So I'm going to pour the milk in the bowl. Alright, after I put the milk in there, I'm ready to eat this cereal. I hope you guys enjoy, so I'm going to eat it right now. So good. I like this. Whenever you have food on your mouth, just use a napkin. That would be weird if I eat the whole cereal throughout the whole video. So, yeah, that tastes good. And I'll give this a 5 out of 5 because it's so delicious. Delicious. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you in the next one vibe here. This is me, one of your favorite YouTubers. Teller Oakley Rosie's 2000. Sign up now. Goodbye and see you later as I'm going to take one more bite of this. Good. But anyways, goodbye.